Okay, so adding rational number or addition of rational number. Find the value and express it in the simplest form. If the denominator, لو الدينومينيتور بتاعك is the same, if the denominator is the same, so no problem. You put the denominator, okay? Put the denominator, which is 4, and then -3 plus -1. -3 plus -1 equals -4. If the signs are the same, negative, and the negative, put the negatives in and. Put the negative, then 3 plus 1 is 4 over 4. The denominator is constant, equals -4 divided 4 is 1. 4 divided 4 is 1. So the result in the simplest form is -1. Okay? Also, the second is the same. The denominator is the same, no problem. So the denominator is the same. So -1 plus 3. -1 plus 3 equals, the sign of the greatest is positive, so subtract directly. 3 minus 1 is 2 over 5. Okay? And this is the simplest form. 2/5 is the simplest form. Okay? Okay. Here, the denominator is different.
Mr.
2 and 4. So we cannot add this number like this. We have to make a common denominator. Okay? So we can make cross, as we say, multiply. You can multiply 2 and 4. Okay, and then cross. And then what? Cross. Okay? So equals the new denominator is 8. The new denominator is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay? And then 12 times -4. 12 times -4. 12 times -4. Yes, this is 12 times 4 is 48. Okay? So this number is 48. Okay? Plus negative. 2 times 16. 16 times 2 equals 2 times 6 is 12. Carry 1 up. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So plus -32. Okay? So first you have to multiply the denominator to get the common denominator. To get the common denominator. Okay? Then make the cross. 12 times 4 and 2 times 16. Now we can subtract. Subtract 48. As we knew before, that positive times the negative is negative. So this number is 48 minus 32 over 8. Now we can subtract directly, equals this 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1 over 8. And now we can simplify by dividing by 16 divided 8 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay? Hope you get the point. Now, there is another solution for this. 12 over 2 plus -16 over 4 equals 12 divided 2 is 6, right? 12 divide, this divide. And 12 is divisible by 2. So 12 divided 2 is 6 plus -16 divided by 4 is 4. So the result will be 6. Positive times negative is -4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So you can use any way you need to solve the problem. There are many ways to solve the problem. Okay? Let's see another problem. The question is the same. Find the result in the simplest form. Find the result of each of the following in the simplest form. Okay? Okay. If you want to solve it by multiplying by 4, because 8 is divisible by 4, so you can multiply to make the same denominator. You can multiply 4 by 2. So multiplying here by 2. And also multiplying here in the numerator by 2 also. So 2 over 8. So the first fraction will be equivalent to 2 over 8. 2 over 8 plus 25 over 8. Now you can add. You can add the same denominator is 8. 2 plus 25 is 27. You can convert it to the mixed number. This is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. You can convert it to mixed number. The denominator is the same. What number multiplied by 8 to get a number closer to 27? 3. 3 times 8 is 24 from 27 is 3. 3 and 3/8. Okay. Also, you can use the cross, another solution, another way. Another way by using the cross. Okay, 1 over 4 plus 25.
مستر ينفع تعيد يا مستر؟ أنا لسه
You can multiply.
يا ابني اهدى مستر
المستر
قال إن
مش
هو
سامع.
مش سامعنا المستر مش سامعنا اسكت بقى
Please Muhammad, I can hear you very slow. Your voice is very low, but please concentrate with me. And I can't hear exactly what you are saying. بس ركز معايا. محمد سامي ركز معايا. So we multiply 4 times 8 is 32. And now we can make cross. 1 times 8 is 8. 4 times 25, this is plus. 4 times 25, so this is plus. 4 times 25 is 100. Now the result will be 108 over 32. Okay, dividing, you can simplify now. You can simplify now. Dividing by what? Dividing by 2, for example, or 4. Both of them are correct. 108 divided 2 is 54. Okay, divide 16 or over 16. Also, another dividing by 2 equals 27 over 8, the same result. And now we can convert this improper fraction to mixed number 3 and 3 over 8. Okay, you can use this method. Okay, no problem. And you can use this method. Okay. First, here in the second problem, this problem, we can, if you look carefully, you can simplify 9 and 12 because they are both divisible by 3. Both of them is divisible by 3. Okay, so you can make it easier. So by dividing here, 9 and 12 divide by 3. Also, this 12 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. Don't forget this is negative. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Plus 3 over 16. Okay? Now you have different denominators. You have to make them the same denominators. 16 is divisible by 4. So you can multiply by, to make 4 equal, to make the same denominator, you can multiply by 4. You can multiply 4 times 4. This is times 4. And this is times 4. Okay, equals negative 3 times 4 is 12. 12 over 4 times 4 is 16. Plus this is 12. Okay. This number is 12.
مستر انت مش سامعني يعني؟
12 over 16, negative 12 over 16 plus 3 over 16. Now you can add negative 12 plus 3 over 16 plus negative 12. The sign of the greatest number is negative, and then subtract 12 minus 3 is 9.
طب تعالوا نتكلم احنا.
Okay, now I see your chat. Okay. Yes, please, yes, focus. Thank you so much. حاضر يا ادهم هشوف حاضر. حاضر ابقى اشوف مشكله الصوت دي تاني ان شاء الله. بس الصوت من النت، واضح انه من النت مش من المايك.
مستر يعني انت دلوقتي مش سامعني؟
اظبطه ان شاء الله.
لسه مش سامعني.
ازاي
اسكت
ده
يا
حصل؟
كريم.
طيب
يا جماعة
اسكت
اسكتوا.
احنا عاوزين نركز.
فاين خلاص يا جماعه، معايا لو سمحت. Find the value and express it in
جميل
the
قوي.
form. Express it in the simplest form. If the sum is rational number، بعد ما نخلص نشوف the sum is rational or not rational. Okay. Now we can convert these numbers from mixed numbers to improper fractions. يعني انت ممكن تحول الاعداد دي من انها mixed to irrational numbers. Sorry, to محمد. لحظة واحدة يا شباب. ايوه تمام كده. في كذا طريقه، يعني ممكن تحول الميكسد نمبر تو امبروبر فراكشن، ممكن تحول يعني تجيب هنا ذا سيم دينومينيتور هنا دايركتلي وهي كده من غير ما تحول، يعني تبقى نيجاتيف 15. نيجاتيف 15 8 is divisible by 2 multiplying by 4. Only multiplying the fraction by 4. Okay. 1 by 4 is 4, 2 by 4 is 8, plus 2 and 3, 8. Okay? Okay. Now we can subtract. You can subtract the fractions. Okay, no problem. You can subtract the fraction themselves. 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8 is negative 1 over 8. Okay? And negative 15 plus 2 is negative 13. So the result will be negative 13 and 1 over 8. Negative 13 and 1 over 8. This number is rational or not? Yes, this number is rational because you can convert it to a mixed number, to a fraction. You can write it in the form A over B. Okay, so this number, yes, is rational. This number is rational. طب لو حبيت تحلها بالتحويل مفيش مشكلة. أنت لو حبيت تحلها by converting this number to improper fraction no problem. يعني العدد الأول اللي هو negative 15 and a half plus 2 and 3 over 8 مفيش مشكلة، ممكن تحوله. يعني لو عملت times طبعا عدد negative 15 times 2 30 30 plus 1 31 plus 2 times 8, 2 times 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, multiplying by 4, multiplying this number by 4. Why multiplying by 4? عشان أخليه the same denominator. Equals 31 times, of course it's negative, 31 times 4, 4 times 1 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12 over 8, plus 19 over 8, equals the greater sign is negative, okay? And the denominator is the same, okay? So 14 minus 9 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1, okay? So 105 times 8, okay? Now you can divide. If you want to divide it using long division, no problem, like this. 105, sorry. 105 divide 8 is 1, equals 8, subtract, minus 10 minus 8 is 2, 25. The number multiplied by 8 to get a number closer to 25 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24, minus is 1. So the result will be 8. The denominator is 8 and 13, and this is the remainder. This is the remainder is 1. So the same answer. Okay. So this is the same answer. Now to the next problem. Okay. Also, 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, so you can multiply what? 3 times what to get 12? 3 times 4. 3 times 4. So negative 8 and 4 over 12 plus negative 4 and 1 over 12. اوكي؟ طيب ده كلام رائع قوي. طيب the same sign، يعني هنا الساين is the same. ممكن نحط الساين and making plus، يعني نعمل ايه بلس عادي، يعني هتبقى الناتج نيجاتيف وهنعمل بلس لكل الاعداد اللي انت شايفها. تمام كده؟ طب هنعمل بلس ازاي؟ الانتجر مع الانتجر عادي خالص. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 is the same denominator, and then adding the numerator is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay? So the answer is negative 12 and 5 over 12. لو عايز تحل بالطريقة العادية اللي هي تحول، ما فيش مشكلة. Another way. Plus negative 4 and 1 over 12. No problem. برضه negative 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1, 25. 25 over 3 plus negative 12. 4 times 12, 4 times 12 equals 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Okay? It's better here. You can, if you multiply, take the cross method, no problem, but the number will be very big. 12 times 25, 3 times 49, very big numbers. It's better here to multiply 3 by 4. To multiply 3 by 4 to make the same denominator. Okay, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So the result is negative 25 times 4 is 100 over 12 plus negative 49 over 12, and then the same denominator. Okay, the same denominator is 12. 100, the same sign, positive, negative and negative. Negative and negative. Okay, so put the negative and then add 100 plus 49, 100. If you want to divide, no problem. 149 divided by 12. Okay.
هو مين اللي عنده الدشة دي؟
Okay. So this 1 times 12 is 12. 29. 2 times 24, and then subtract. The result will be 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, equals negative 12 and 5 over 12. The same result, the same result. So you can select the way you can solve the problem. ممكن تختار الطريقة اللي انت عايز تحل بيها براحتك خالص جدا. تمام؟ يعني بتحل بالطريقة اللي تريحك، اللي كله صح ان شاء الله. طب ماشي يا شباب؟ كله ايه؟ كله صح. تمام؟ طب لحظة واحدة بس نشوف الحضور. طيب نكست. ايوه يا ادهم. حاضر يا ادهم، والله انا بحاول يعني. طب قول يا ادهم كده، احاول اسمعك. قول يا ادهم.
مستر ومستر
لحظة واحدة كده. انا هقفل كل حاجة وعشان اسمعك.
علي صوتك يا ادم على اخر حاجة.
لحظة واحدة
المستر سمعنا.
طيب زميلنا بيقول يا شباب ان احنا عايزين نعمل ايه يا مستر؟ ما تحل لنا مرة كده بطريقة الكروس. حاضر. طريقة الكروس. اوكي. النيجاتيف. Another method, the third method بقى. Negative 8 and a third plus negative 1 over 12. Negative 4. Negative 4 and 1 over 12. Okay. Equals. عشان تعمل طريقة الكروس لازم تحولها لإمبروبر فراكشن. لازم تحول كل الإيه؟ الفراكشنز اللي عندك لفراكشنز. 8 times 3 24 plus 1 25 plus negative هنا 12 4 times 12 is 48 plus 1 is 49. تمام؟ طيب تعالى بقى نبدأ نعمل طريقة الايه؟ طريقة الكروس. ركز بقى معايا كده. أول حاجة الدينومينيتورز هتعملها تايمز، يعني الدينومينيتور ده هتعمله تايمز دي عشان يبقى عندك ايه؟ common denominator. ماشي؟ واحدة واحدة. يبقى هنا كام؟ 3 times 12 يبقى 12 times 3 equal 36. يبقى هنا الدينومينيتور الجديد بتاعي كام؟ 36. طيب نيجاتيف 25 times 12 ادي 25 times 12 هتبقى عندك هنا 50 0 25 0 10 3 300 يبقى ديت 300 plus negative. يبقى انا خدت ال 25 times 12. Now I will take 3 times 49. 49 times 3 27 40 يبقى 147. وبعدين تعمل بلس يبقى دي نيجاتيف لان الاثنين نيجاتيف. نيجاتيف put the negative and then add 7 4 4 over 36. Okay, so this number is divisible by this is 36 divisible by 9. 447 is you can make it using calculator, no problem. We can make it like this.
Mister, we can simplify.
Yes, wait a minute, please. Okay, we can use calculator, no problem. 447 divide 36 equal 12 and fractions. 12 and fractions. Okay, no problem. We can like this, doing like this, equals negative 12. We can divide
12
by 9.
and 5
Divide
over
by
12.
9. Okay. Divide by what is this? Divide by 9. Okay, 447 divided 9 equals, no, it's not divisible by 9, divisible by 3. Okay, 447 divided by 3 equals 149. Equals 149 divide 36 divided by 3 is 12. So the result will be negative 12 if you want to divide. 12 and 5 over 12. 12. Because 12 times 12, 12 times 12 is 49, is 144. Is 144. Okay, and the remainder 149 minus 144. Okay, equals 5. So negative 12 and 5 12. يبقى انت عندك ممكن تشتغلها بكذا. شوف عملنا حلين المسألة using 3 methods. Using 3 methods. First, make the same denominator by multiplying by 4. Without converting these mixed numbers. Okay. Also here, multiplying by 4 to make the common denominator. Okay. The second, converting the mixed number to improper fraction, then multiplying by 4, then add or subtract. Here, using the cross method, but the cross method may make big number. مشكلة شوية في الديفايد والمالتبلاي والحاجات. يعني أنت بتختار أسهل طريقة تساعدك في الحل. ماشي يا شباب؟ Okay. Next is the C. دي حلناها خلاص. دي حلناها 3 over 8. لا دي مختلفة. Okay. Next one. هنحلها برضو بالطريقة، نحاول بقدر الإمكان بالطريقة الأسرع عشان الوقت على وشك يخلص. الطريقه الاسرع هنحلها بالطريقه الايه؟ الاسرع. This is negative. This is 2 and 2 is 8 is divisible by 2 so we can multiply by 4. مش عارف ايه حكايه الفور النهارده كله multiply by 4 multiply by 4. So negative 15 2 times 4 is 8 1 times 4 is 4. نحل المسألة دي يا ولاد؟ حاسس ان احنا حليناها 3 over 8. Okay no problem. Okay حليناها فعلا. 4 minus 3 is 1 over 8 and 15 minus 2 is 13. هي حليناها بس بالنيجاتيف طبعا. دي حليناها قبل كده. ممكن برضه نحلها بطريقة الكروس زي ما انت. طيب this problem here you can multiply by 2 to make 14 because 14 is divisible by both 7 and 2. Negative 6 over 14. Here you can multiply by 7. Okay, plus 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 7 is 7. Plus negative 1 over 14. Now, the same denominator you can add negative 6 plus 7 plus negative 1 over 14 equals negative 6 plus 7 is 1 plus negative 1 over 14 equals 0 over 14 equals because 1 plus negative 1 يعني 1 minus 1. ماشي يا شباب ممكن تكونوا استفدتم ان شاء الله رب العالمين. هنكمل الحصه الجايه وهرفع لكم الحاجات ديت مع شيت في الهوم وورك اون موديل. خش على موديل حل الشيتس اللي فيه اولاد في الهوم وورك.
مستر بس
السلام عليكم
هو
ورحمه الله وبركاته.
انا مستر
ايوه علي صوتك يا مؤمن.
يا مستر بقول لك يا مستر بس هو الواجب هيبقى اسمه ايه بس عشان انا مش عارف اللي هو نفس برضه الصفحات دي.
ورك شيت بنفس الاسم هتلاقي ورك شيت 1 و 2 و 3 ده حلو.
طيب.
السلام عليكم ورحمه الله.